As the sun rises, illuminating the promise of a new day, we embark on a path of mindfulness, inner peace, and personal growth. In the words of the Buddha, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." With this profound insight as our compass, let us explore 6 morning habits inspired by Buddhist teachings that have the power to change our lives for the better. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to become overwhelmed by the demands of our daily routines. Yet, in the quiet moments of the morning, there lies an opportunity to set the tone for the day ahead. By embracing simple yet powerful practices rooted in Buddhist philosophy, we can cultivate a deeper sense of presence, gratitude, and intentionality in our lives. Throughout this journey, we'll draw upon timeless wisdom passed down through generations, as well as modern research confirming the profound benefits of these practices. From the art of mindful breathing to the transformative power of gratitude, each habit serves as a stepping stone on the path to greater self-awareness and fulfillment. So, as we awaken to the gift of each new day, let us embrace the teachings of Buddhism as our guideposts, illuminating the path toward a life filled with purpose, joy, and inner peace. Together, let us embark on this journey of discovery and transformation, one morning, habit at a time. Number 1. Mindful breathing exercise. As the Buddha once said, "To keep the body in good health is a duty, but to keep the mind in good health is a true art." And indeed, the practice of mindful breathing is a cornerstone of this art, offering us a simple yet profound way to cultivate a sense of calm, presence, and inner peace. To begin this practice, find a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be straight yet relaxed, your hands resting gently in your lap or on your knees. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, allowing your attention to turn inward. Now, bring your awareness to your breath, noticing the sensation of each inhale and exhale as it flows naturally through your body. There is no need to control the breath. Simply observe it with gentle curiosity, like a silent witness to the rhythm of life itself. As you breathe in, feel the coolness of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs with vitality and energy. And as you breathe out, feel the warmth of the breath as it leaves your body, carrying with it any tension or worries that may linger within. With each breath, allow yourself to let go of any thoughts or distractions that arise, returning again and again to the simple sensation of breathing. In this moment, there is only the breath, a timeless anchor in the ever-changing sea of experience. As you continue this practice, you may notice the mind beginning to quieten, the incessant chatter of thoughts gradually fading into the background. In this space of stillness, you may discover a profound sense of peace and clarity, as if coming home to the essence of your being. If at any point you find your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to the breath, without judgment or criticism. Remember, the mind is like a wild horse, untamed and restless, yet with patience and practice, it can be gently led back to the present moment. Number 2. Morning meditation. In the quietude of dawn, when the world is at its most serene, we have a precious opportunity to connect with the essence of our being, to quiet the restless mind, and to awaken to the fullness of the present moment. Find a comfortable seated position, whether on a cushion, a chair, or the floor, allowing your spine to be straight yet relaxed, your hands resting gently in your lap. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, allowing your awareness to turn inward. Begin by bringing your attention to the sensation of your breath, noticing the rise and fall of your chest, or the gentle expansion and contraction of your abdomen. Allow each breath to be a gentle reminder to return to the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or distractions that may arise. As you continue to breathe mindfully, you may notice the mind beginning to settle, the incessant chatter of thoughts gradually giving way to a sense of spaciousness and ease. In this space of stillness, you may discover a profound sense of peace and clarity, as if touching the very essence of your being. If at any point you find your mind wandering, gently guide your attention back to the breath, anchoring yourself in the present moment with each inhalation and exhalation. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a particular state of mind, but rather about embracing whatever arises with openness and acceptance. As you continue to meditate, you may choose to focus on a particular object of meditation, such as a mantra, a visual image, or the sensations of the body. Allow yourself to explore different techniques and find what resonates most deeply with you. Number 3. Gratitude journaling. At its core, gratitude journaling is a simple yet profound practice of acknowledging and appreciating the abundance that surrounds us, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant. By taking just a few moments each morning to reflect on the blessings in our lives, we cultivate a deep sense of appreciation and contentment that can ripple outwards, touching every aspect of our existence. To begin this practice, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit with your journal and pen. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself, allowing your mind to settle and your heart to open to the possibilities of the day ahead. Start by reflecting on the gifts that have been bestowed upon you, both big and small. Perhaps it is the warmth of the sun on your face, the laughter of a loved one, or the simple pleasure of a hot cup of tea. Whatever it may be, allow yourself to savor the experience fully, feeling the gratitude welling up within you. Now take your journal and begin to write down 3 things that you are grateful for today. They can be anything that brings a smile to your face or a sense of warmth to your heart. Write them down with intention and sincerity, allowing the words to flow from your heart onto the page. As you write, notice how your perspective begins to shift, how the focus shifts from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. With each word that you write, you are affirming the richness of your existence and inviting more blessings to flow into your life. Once you have finished journaling, take a moment to sit with the feelings of gratitude that have arisen within you. Allow yourself to bask in the warmth of these emotions, knowing that by cultivating gratitude, you are nurturing a sense of abundance that will continue to grow and flourish. Number 4. Setting intentions. In the vast expanse of our existence, it is easy to become swept away by the currents of circumstance, drifting aimlessly without a clear sense of direction. Yet, by taking the time each morning to set intentions for the day ahead, we reclaim our power to consciously choose the path we wish to walk. To begin this practice, find a quiet and sacred space where you can sit in contemplation, free from distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your mind to settle and your heart to open to the possibilities that lie before you. Now, bring your awareness to the present moment, grounding yourself in the here and now. Reflect on your values, your aspirations, and the person you wish to become. What qualities do you wish to embody today? What actions align with your highest purpose? With clarity and intentionality, begin to articulate your intentions for the day ahead. Perhaps you wish to approach each interaction with kindness and compassion, or to cultivate a sense of presence and mindfulness in all that you do. Whatever it may be, speak your intentions aloud or silently to yourself, infusing them with the power of your conviction. As you set your intentions, visualize yourself embodying these qualities and living in alignment with your highest values. See yourself moving through the day with grace and purpose, guided by the light of your intentions like a beacon in the darkness. Once you have set your intentions, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunity to consciously shape the course of your life. Know that by setting intentions with clarity and conviction, you are planting the seeds of transformation that will blossom and bear fruit in the days and weeks to come. As you go about your day, carry your intentions with you like a guiding star, allowing them to illuminate your path and inspire your actions. And remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you, waiting to be unleashed through the simple act of setting intentions with mindfulness and intentionality. Number 5. Mindful movement. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it is easy to become disconnected from our physical selves, moving through the world on autopilot without truly inhabiting our bodies. Yet by engaging in mindful movement practices, such as yoga or Tai Chi, we have the opportunity to reawaken to the miracle of our own existence and to cultivate a deeper sense of presence and harmony within. To begin this practice, find a quiet and serene space where you can move freely without inhibition. Take a few moments to center yourself, grounding your awareness in the present moment and releasing any tension or stress that may linger within. Now begin to move your body with intention and awareness, allowing each movement to flow seamlessly into the next like a graceful dance. Whether you choose to practice yoga, Tai Chi, or another form of mindful movement, approach the practice with a spirit of curiosity and exploration, tuning in to the sensations that arise with each breath and each movement. As you move, pay attention to the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the subtle energy that flows through you like a river. Notice how your body responds to each movement, adjusting and adapting with grace and ease. Allow yourself to let go of any expectations or judgments that may arise, embracing the practice with an open heart and a willingness to surrender to the experience. In the sacred space of mindful movement, there is no right or wrong, only the beauty of being fully present in the moment. As you continue to move, feel yourself becoming more deeply connected to the world around you, more attuned to the subtle interplay of energy that permeates all of creation. In this state of heightened awareness, you may find a sense of peace and harmony that transcends the boundaries of the self, merging with the universal rhythm of life itself. Take a moment to express gratitude for the gift of movement, for the opportunity to connect with your body in this sacred way. Carry this sense of presence and harmony with you as you go about your day, knowing that the wisdom of mindful movement is always available to guide you back to the truth of who you are. Number 6. Nourishing breakfast ritual. In the rush of modern life, it's easy to overlook the importance of starting the day with intention and mindfulness, rushing through breakfast or skipping it altogether in our eagerness to tackle the tasks that lie ahead. Yet by taking the time to cultivate a nourishing breakfast ritual, we invite a sense of peace, presence, and gratitude into our morning routine, setting the tone for a day filled with vitality and well-being. To begin this practice, set aside a few moments each morning to prepare a breakfast that honors both your body and your spirit. Choose foods that are wholesome, nourishing, and delicious, paying attention to the quality of ingredients and the love that goes into their preparation. As you prepare your breakfast, do so with mindfulness and intention, infusing each ingredient with your presence and gratitude. Whether you're slicing fresh fruit, cooking oatmeal on the stove, or blending a nourishing smoothie, approach the process with a spirit of reverence and care, knowing that you are nourishing not only your body, but also your soul. Once your breakfast is ready, take a moment to sit down and savor each bite with mindfulness and gratitude. Notice the colors, textures, and flavors of the food, allowing yourself to fully experience the nourishment that it provides. As you eat, take the time to express gratitude for the abundance that surrounds you, for the food on your plate, for the hands that prepared it, and for the earth that provided it. Allow yourself to bask in the simple pleasure of nourishing your body and soul, knowing that each bite is a gift to be cherished and savored. As you go about your day, carry the spirit of your nourishing breakfast ritual with you, allowing it to infuse every moment with a sense of presence, gratitude, and well-being. And remember, by honoring your body with wholesome food and mindful eating, you are cultivating a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you, one breakfast at a time. As the morning sun bathes the world in its golden light, we draw our journey of self-transformation to a close, guided by the timeless wisdom of Buddhism and the power of mindful morning rituals. Throughout our exploration of 6 morning habits inspired by Buddhist teachings, we have discovered the profound potential for growth, healing, and awakening that lies within each of us. From the simplicity of mindful breathing to the nourishment of a sacred breakfast ritual, we have uncovered practices that can enrich our lives and illuminate the path to inner peace and fulfillment. As we bid farewell to this journey, we invite you to carry the teachings of Buddhism with you into your daily life, integrating them into your own morning routine with intention and mindfulness. Whether you choose to incorporate one or all of these practices into your life, know that each small step you take towards greater presence and awareness has the power to transform not only your own life, but the lives of those around you. We invite you to join us on our continued journey of exploration and discovery by subscribing to our channel, Wisdom Diaries. Here, you will find a treasure trove of wisdom from diverse traditions and cultures, guiding you on the path to greater understanding, compassion, and self-discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transformation. May you continue to walk the path of wisdom with courage, curiosity, and an open heart.